Nation, and I upload videos on Sundays, most Sundays, around luxury, lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. So if you're here for that, let's go. Okay guys, so 2020 we all know was a year that would go down in infamy, and I did a lot of shopping, and in the middle of the year I got myself a purse and said it's going to be my Christmas present, and then I opened it early, and so then I had to get myself a new Christmas present. And so I did, and I got my first Dior handbag. Now, this is not my first Dior piece, because my first Dior piece was like a Dior sling bag. I don't know if that counts, but nonetheless, that was my first piece from Dior. Of course, I have a couple of their scents, but this is my first Dior handbag. And I've already unboxed it. I bought it. I saw it even before they wrapped it up. It came nicely packaged, had a nice beautiful blue ribbon around it, and this is the Christmas packaging, which is absolutely gorgeous. I put it under my tree and then I opened it on Christmas, so all that packaging is gone. I'm going to show you the tissue paper, but it looks terrible. I bought this from the Dior boutique in Saks in Atlanta, and Rocky was my sales associate, and she was absolutely fantastic. So if you go there, use her. She's Jamaican like me. I don't know if she was born in Jamaica, but her family's Jamaican. And I was looking at this bag for a while, but I never really thought I would buy a Dior piece this quickly. And then it wasn't on the website anymore, and then when I went in the store just browsing, I told her about it. She was like, I'll try to get it for you. And she did. And I guess I'll preface it with saying that I have a very classic style, but I didn't want something black. I wanted, because I had so many black Chanel purses, so many, 1, 2, 3, 4. So many black purses. I wanted to get away from black. I'm not a big white person, just because I'm scared that it might stain, what have you. So I did a thing, and I got this beautiful houndstooth braided leather Dior, Lady Dior, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love everything about it. I thought I wanted a mini Dior, and I do want a mini Lady Dior. This is the medium, guys. This is so small to be a medium size. It comes with black hardware. I would have preferred gold, but this bag doesn't come with gold. But I just like the simplicity of it. You can turn it around this way if you want absolutely no one to know that you're bringing something designer. This side obviously has the Dior hanging from it. It has the little flap and top. I still have it stuffed. It comes with a leather strap. I looked into getting one of the guitar straps, and girl, I'm gonna have to wait on that. This smells so good. Like, I think the entire bag is leather inside. It feels like a suede material. It's black inside. Obviously everything I carry with me on a daily basis can fit in here. My phone, my mini pochette, everything will go in here, no problem. I'm thinking of getting some twillies for the handle. Tell me what you think about this. I did in the Black Friday sale get something that matches this so perfectly, and it's a pair of Christian Dior braided, just like the bag, mules, and they have kitten heels, and I just think this is so ladylike, and I love it, and it's so my style. Alright guys, tell me what you think about my little mini haul and my first video of 2021. Like I said, my goal is to be a little bit more consistent in posting this year. I really appreciate you guys following me. I do. It's unbelievable. I have like over 100 followers, and I'm so excited about it. And hopefully I gather some more friends this year. We can sit and chat about luxury items and what's going on. Oh, I ordered a Peloton, and it's coming in a couple weeks. Let me know if you want me to upload videos about that. I like everyone else, you know, trying to stay in the best shape ever. And so I'm trying to get in the best shape ever. So I'm going to be, you know, trying to use a Peloton in addition to other workouts that I've been doing prior to that. But let me know in the comments if you want me to upload anything about that, if you want me to do an unboxing of my Peloton, if you want to see my first ride, if you want to see progress reports and things like that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I pray nothing but blessings in this year for everyone, and I'll see you next Sunday. I don't know. See you next Sunday. Bye.